Hey everybody, so I just wanted to show you, we ended up having to get a new water heater because of insurance purposes. Our old water heater was 24 years old, but we switched it out from a traditional 40-gallon water heater to a 50-gallon hybrid. And it's basically like a heat pump type water heater. So let me turn this around and show this to you. So this is our new water heater here. We can actually control whether or not we are on vacation with it. We can control the temperature. I mean, it's got all kinds of crazy controls and stuff here. So this is our new hybrid water heater, and what they say about these hybrid water heaters is they can save up to like 40 to 60% of the water heater portion of your electric bill. So probably worthwhile. I think the only step up from here would have maybe been a tankless, but we just chose not to go that route. So if you have to replace your water heater, I highly recommend a hybrid. The plumber who installed this for me was a recommendation by my remodeler. The guy, his Encinas Plumbing, was great. His crew was great. They cleaned up after themselves and everything. So definitely a worthwhile investment. Hopefully will last us another 20 something years. So I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Thank you.